Guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to pay contactless with Revolt. So let's get started. So what you want to do is open your Revolt app and launch it on your smartphone. So you want to make sure that this Revolt app is installed and updated in your iPhone. The next step you want to do is select your card. If you have multiple cards on your account, then be sure to select many. And the next thing you want to do is tap and pay. When you're ready to make a payment, then click on your smartphone near the contactless payment terminal, and this will ensure that your payment is contactless. After that, you need to authorize your payment through some pins, fingerprint, or your Face ID, since transactions may need these properties to function well. So the next step that you want to do is you want to confirm, and once your payment is authorized, then you will receive a confirmation notification, and you can click on the notification to confirm your payment transaction, even if it is withdrawal or transaction. And after that, your step is done. This is how you transfer money contactless on Revolt application. If this video is helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, then leave it in the comment box below. It's Millie signing off. I'll see you in the next one.